to my YouTube channel Protect Shahid Raju. How to fix email stuck in outbox of Gmail, mobile and desktop. If your email are stuck in Gmail outbox and would not send your internet connection may not be working or you may have enabled Gmail offline mode, we will show you how to fix this problem on a desktop or a phone and suggest a few other things you can try to fix Gmail issues. If Gmail cannot send email, check and ensure that the internet connection for your desktop, iPhone or Android phone is working correctly. Gmail cannot send or receive email without an active internet connection. To check your connection, launch a web browser or on your device and open a site. If your site does not load your connection, maybe filter first. Make sure you are actually connected properly. If you are using a bad connection, ensure that your cable is firmly seated in your PCS Ethernet part. If you are trying to use Wi-Fi, make sure that your Wi-Fi network is active and that you are actually connected to it. If you have a second phone or a computer around, that can be helpful in the problem. If the second device connects to the internet currently, then the problem is probably with the first devices and you can focus on that. First try restarting your Windows PC, Mac, iPhone or Android devices and see if that fix your problem. If restarting your device does not help, you all need to take more advanced step to trouble your internet connection. If nothing on the network is working, that means the problem is with your modem router or your internet service. To report your modem and router, unplug them for 1 minute and check everything again. Make sure that all of the connection coming in and out of the modem and router are firmly seated. If that does not work, the problem is likely on your internet service providers and you can always give them a call through. They may have more specific troubleshooting step you can follow or be able to tell you if they are experiencing an outage. Turn off Gmail offline mode on desktop. If you are experiencing the issues on your desktop, ensure you have not enabled Gmail's offline mode. Offline mode keeps your email in the Outbox folder until you have disabled it. To fix a problem caused by offline mode, disable it using the following interaction. Open a web browser on your desktop and launch Gmail. Come sync into your account. Select the gear icon in the top right corner and choose see all setting. Select the offline tab at the top of the screen. Then turn off the enable offline mail option. Click save change to apply the setting change. Refresh Gmail outbox folder on your iPhone or Android phone. You can force Gmail to send any pending email by refreshing the outbox folder. To fresh the outbox folder, launch the Gmail app on your phone. Then tap the burger menu, three lines in the top left corner. In the open menu, select Outbox. In Outbox, pull down from the top of the folder. This refreshes your folder items sending and any pending emails out in Gmail mobile app. Clear Gmail app cache on Android.